This one was a house.
Uh-huh.
You see that pillars, which is small now,
Uh.
but it was high. Like you see it there.
Uh.
That's a floor, heated floor.
Oh,
It
heated
was
floor.
making hot under,
Uh-huh.
and they was heating the floor. So that's how they was getting hot in the winter.
Oh, all right.
So they making. You see here, it's broken.
Yeah.
They putting wood under
Ah,
and everything,
okay.
making the fire, and the heat of the floor was heating the room.
All right.
That's very smart because they are using even today
Yeah.
with that one in the floor
Uh-huh.
to make it hot the room.
The room.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Rosita Haiti.
Ali, come on. The church. We found here a skeleton in the church,
Huh.
2.5 meters high.
Oh, wow.
Very high.
Very high, no? So, naa si castle rin sa una, sir. Muna siya uno sa castle. Ah, this is a church.
Yeah, he was entering from there. There, probably the priest and everything. They were staying here. You see, here is the podium probably where
Yeah.
he was speaking. Small
Mm.
church. It's a small citadel. And here they found the skeleton.
Doon.
Yeah. It was like 2 meters something tall, very high. But you can scan the code, the QR code if you want, and you're gonna get the story and everything.
Story.
Yeah.
Aici e mormântul unui bărbat, mă uite, spre acolo, sunt.
They were found six
Da, but
burial
era înalt, era înalt.
Six burial graves.
Yeah, yeah, they found it here, yeah.
Mm. Alisa!
It was discovered in 1977. Ali,
So long.
come here, I say.
Come on.
Da, să uite pe alea acolo.
Come on. I mean, you can go there, but not now. It's I can choose though.
Yeah.
Good to choose it though.
They're from mom? From last year. From mom.
Oh, that's good.
Sakto naman niya.
Luag ba niya sa una?
Luwag-luwag pa.
You see kids what they are wearing here.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff. I was wearing when I was small also.
Haide, oi. Dacă îl faci, e frumos.